students. So we are back for our revision. So we'll continue our revision for chapter number 11, 12 and 13. So after chapter number 11 is about soil. So there are different types of soil and they have different types of property like the sandy soil, loamy soil and the clayey soil. So according to the name, they have different types of properties. Okay, then the most important part is the different layer of soil. So soil are divided into different layers. Yes, so the topmost layer consists of the topsoil and it is mixed with the humus. Then we have next layer we have as our subsoil. Then we have weathered rock fragments and then lastly we have our bedrock. So where the plant will grow? The plant will grow in the topsoil and the humus will help for the plant to grow properly. Then we have seen about soil erosion and soil conservation. So there are many factors like water, wind and barren land which causes soil erosion. So to stop soil erosion we need to grow more trees. Yes, and soil conservation. It is very important to prevent our topmost layer which is the topsoil of the soil because it is the most fertile layer and important for the plants to grow. Then the soil fertility is also very important. As nowadays farmers are using lots of pesticides and fertilizers, the fertility of soil has decreased. Then we are also dumping our garbage in large areas which also causes decrease in the soil fertility. Okay children, now our next chapter is chapter number 12 which is about different types of pollutions which are taking place. So air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution are the pollutions which we see around us. So first is the air pollution. So we can see in the picture that air pollution are caused by burning. Then they are releasing smoke, vehicles are releasing smoke. So due to all the activities and also the factories release smoke, due to these activities our air is getting polluted. Then we have seen that the cattle are taking bath in the water and in villages they wash their clothes on the river bank. So this also pollutes the water. Also the industries are directly putting out their waste in the water bodies which also pollutes our rivers, ponds and lake. Then we have talked about land pollution, that using lots of pesticides and fertilizer damages our land and causes land pollution. Then we have our noise pollution. So in noise pollution, loudspeakers and horn of the car, they causes noise pollution which can harm our ears. Yes children, then our next chapter is about food, cooking and preservation. So we have seen about different types of nutrients. So there are different types of nutrients. All the nutrients are required by our body. So firstly, the different types of nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, roughage, water. Yes, these all nutrients are very much essential for our body, for the proper growth and development of our body. Then we have seen about food pyramid, that all the nutrients should be taken in proper amount. Yes, like balanced diet, we should take all the nutrients in a fixed amount. Then children, we have seen about diseases, that if we have deficiency means lack. If we are lacking in certain vitamins, minerals or any of the nutrients, then we will face one or the other disorders or diseases. So they are known as deficiency diseases. Then we will talk about cooking. So there are different methods by which we cook our food. So first is boiling, steaming and frying. So there are different methods by which we can cook our food. Then food spoilage and preservation. Yes, we have seen that if we will keep food for long period of time, then it can spoil. So it is very important to preserve the food by different methods. Then we have seen about some microorganisms. Some microorganisms are helpful to us or useful to us, while some microorganisms are harmful to us. So we have seen about different types of microorganisms such as the bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and virus. Okay children, so here we have completed our short revision.